Hello there lovely people, what's up and how you all are doing? So this is KP Styles and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would be sharing my huge Nykaa haul with all of you guys. So these are the boxes which I received from Nykaa. So yeah, if you guys are interested in knowing what are all the products which I purchased, so please keep on watching, and before going into the video, do not forget to like my video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And do follow me on Instagram. I would be providing the Insta ID on the link, not on the screen, and the description box. So without wasting any further time, let's get rolling. Okay, so basically I have received 3 boxes. The one is the Nykaa luxury store and 2 are the simple ones. So firstly I would be sharing these boxes. Okay, so the first thing which I am going to share with you guys are the lipsticks, because any haul is incomplete without sharing lipsticks. Okay, so the first lipstick which I purchased is this Nykaa Matte to Last in the shade Gul. It's the mini liquid lipsticks. So my shade in it is Gul and its price is 239, but in the offer I got it for 215 rupees. So this is how the packaging look like it's really small. It's even smaller than my finger, like you can see. But this is the shade which I'm wearing on my lips right now. Like it's a really cute pinky shade. Let me just show you the swatch. Like it's an amazing shade. It will suit all the skin tones, even you are having fair, wheatish or dark skin tone. This shade is going to suit all the skin tones. So yeah, it's an amazing lipstick. So the second lipstick which I bought is this Faces Canada All Time Pro Matte Lip Crayon, and my shade in it is Cashmere 23. So its price is 799, but again I got it on offer and its price was 639 rupees. So like this is the best lip crayon I have ever used. Like look at its swatch. Like guys, this is so buttery smooth. Like I have never used any lip crayon like this. First, the shade is really amazing. It's a peach nude brown shade and it will again suit all the skin tones, fair to darker. So if I talk about the consistency of particular lip crayon, it has a creamy consistency. When you apply it even on your lips, it feels buttery smooth. But the best part about this lip crayon is it gives you a matte finish. Like I have never used any lip crayon whose application is creamy but gives a matte finish. Like you can see as well, it gives you a completely matte finish. It's an amazing lip crayon. I highly recommend this one. The next lipstick which I bought is this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color, and its price is 295, and my shade in it is Nude Dream, like Nude Dream 08. So again it's a like mauvey kind of shade. Like it's really pretty. So again it's a matte liquid lipstick. It does not feel heavy on your lips at all, and the color range in these particular lipstick is really amazing. But I prefer to go with this one. So yeah, again it's an amazing liquid lipstick. So the last lipstick which I have is this Nykaa So Matte lipstick, and my shade in it is Top Thrill, and I have also shared it in my last videos. So this is how its swatch is. Like again it's a nude color and it will suit all the skin tones. Even if you are having darker skin tone or lighter, it is going to suit all the skin tones. So these are all the 4 lipsticks which I bought from Nykaa. So moving on to the makeup section. Okay, the first thing which I bought is this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and its price is 175. So earlier I was using the oil cleanser in the same Garnier one, but it didn't suit my skin, so I go for this one this time, and I have used it quite a times and it is amazing. Like it removes your makeup like anything. So it's an amazing purchase, and in the price you are getting this 175. it's worth it. You should definitely give this a try. It's an amazing makeup remover. So next up, I bought a primer. This is Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. So its price is 499, that is 500 rupees. So it says that it Tone Plus Smoothen Plus Perfect is a silicone based primer and it instantly mattifies. Just look at that. As soon as you'll apply this on your face, you'll see instant results. It's an amazing primer. It do its work nicely, decently, and for the price which you are paying, that is 500 rupees, this product is worth it, because normally the high-end primers cost a lot, like sometimes over 1,000 rupees as well. So this is an amazing primer. You can go for this one. So next up, I bought a foundation, which is this one, Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. So my shade in it is, where's the shade written? 128 Warm Nude. So earlier I was using the Maybelline Fit Me one, but it got finished, so I thought of going for this one. Like, it gives you a matte finish. It says that it's full coverage foundation, but I don't think it's a full coverage foundation. Like, it gives you medium to full coverage, but not completely full coverage. Okay, so yeah, it's a matte foundation. If you have oily skin, you can go for this one. And it says that it stays on your face for 24 hours. Obviously I have not applied the foundation for 24 hours, so I don't know if it stays that long or not. But yeah, it may stay on your face for good 5 to 6 hours if you have primed up your face nicely, and it is an amazing foundation. So the next thing which I bought is a concealer. Like, I have heard so much about this concealer. Like, there is completely different hype going on for this concealer, which is the Makeup Revolution concealer, and my shade in it is C8. The price of this concealer is 695. Yeah, and the foundation costed for 750 rupees. Okay, so coming to the concealer, my shade in it is C8, price is 695. I have heard so much about this concealer. Like, it gives you full coverage, and it has also been compared to the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, being such a big thing. So it's an amazing concealer. Like, let me just show you. Just look at this coverage, and when you blend it, it blends so smoothly. Like, just look at it. Its coverage is insane. Like, when you apply this, all your dark circles, all your acne marks are just gonna vanish. It's such an amazing concealer. You should definitely try this one. And it has this weird kind of smell, I don't know why, but yeah, amazing concealer. So the next thing which I bought is this Nivea lip balm, because I am a die-hard lip balm fan and I can't live without lip balm. So this is the Nivea Cherry Shine, and its price is 185 rupees. Like, I have the Maybelline Baby Lips ones as well, but I thought of giving this a try. So yeah. The next thing which I bought is a highlighter, for which I bought this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and my shade in it is Molten Gold. So its price is 550 rupees, and I also used it in my last video, in which I did that expensive versus affordable side. So it's so buttery smooth. Like, when you roll your finger over it, you'll feel it. And just look at the pigmentation. Oh my god, and it blends so smoothly. Just look at that. It's an amazing highlighter. It gives you full shine. It do not have chunky particles at all, and it feels really nice on your skin. Like, just look at that. If you really want to go heavy, you can apply a lot of highlighter, but if you want a really subtle kind of glow, you can just take it with your fingers and lightly dab it on your face. It looks really good. You can also use it as a golden eyeshadow. Whenever you are doing your cut crease, you can use this. The next thing which I bought is this Lactocalamine Daily Care Face Lotion, and this is the combination to normal skin. So I have been using Lactocalamine lotions from a really long time, and it really suits my skin. So the reason behind using this particular lotion is that it gives my face a matte finish, and because I have oily to combination skin, so I do not go for moisturizers which are really heavy on my skin. So this has a running consistency, and as soon as you apply it on your face, it gets absorbed in your skin and it looks really good. there is one purple bottle in it as well, which is I think for dry skin to combination skin. I don't remember, but yeah, this is the one which I use on a daily basis. Moving on to the black box, the Nykaa luxury store. For those who do not know why I got this black box, why is there a black box in Nykaa? So basically there's a store in Nykaa which is known as the luxury store, where you get all the high-end brands which are really expensive and all that stuff. So if you buy anything from that store, you get this black box. Okay, so as soon as I opened this, I received a thank you card. Okay, so I basically bought 2 things from the luxury store, and I also got a free gift, which is this Too Faced hangover primer sachet. Like, obviously they must have given this so that if we use it, we liked it, we can buy it. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing which I bought is this Too Faced mascara. It says that it gives you 100% dramatic volume, 100% longer lashes, and 97% creates a false lash effect, and it has a hourglass shape. Okay, so if we open this is how the product looks like it's small because I bought the mini one. So if we see the shape, this is how the wand looks like it's thin from the middle and thick from the outer corner. So it's an amazing mascara. Like, if you'll apply 2 to 3 coat, it gives you an amazing effect. Obviously it does not look like falsies, but yeah, still it's an amazing mascara, and it gives you a really lengthening and really voluminous lash look. So the next thing which I bought is this Benefit brow pencil. Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So the shade, my shade in it was dark brown. So this is how the pencil look like. So I bought the mini one, and the bigger one comes with a spoolie at the end. Okay, so if I talk about this particular pencil, it's really smooth, really pigmented, glides so nicely on your eyebrows, gives you a really natural finish, and is really smooth. Well, the only thing which I didn't like in this brow pencil is the quantity. Like, that's it. This is the quantity of this brow pencil. Like, obviously if I am paying 1240 rupees for a brow pencil, I expect a little bit more product, because only 5 to 6 days have been passed till I bought this pencil, and I just used this once. So the quantity is quite less. That is the only disappointment which I found in this pencil. Otherwise it's an amazing pencil. So yeah, and the price of the Too Faced mascara was 1050 rupees. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you would have liked my huge Nykaa haul, and if you do not forget to give my video a thumbs up and share with your friends as well. So yeah, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.